Carbon deposits in your engine can rob your vehicle of power, performance, and fuel economy. Most customers never notice their effects until a check engine light appears or they experience a rough idle or hard starting condition. TerraClean's decarbonizing solution removes carbon and other deposits from the whole fuel system, including fuel injectors, intake valves, combustion chamber, piston heads, oxygen sensors, and catalytic converter. Most competitors' products are only able to clean up to and including the combustion chamber. TerraClean's patented technology goes beyond traditional cleaning methods to reach all critical components of the vehicle's fuel system. Our two-part process first uses a cleaner that softens and removes build-up carbon on the fuel injector tips and intake valves, ensuring fuel is being delivered to the combustion chamber as uniformly and effectively as intended. Next, our TerraClean Decarbonizing unit combines our modified fuel product with a negative electrical charge. This negative electrical charge better atomizes the cleaner, and the negatively charged fuel product seeks out and attaches itself to the positively charged carbon deposits, allowing them to be burned through the combustion process with highly effective results. By cleaning and revitalizing O2 sensors, TerraClean sets itself apart in the market. The results are a more complete fuel system service that is more effective than traditional fuel system services. All gasoline engines accumulate carbon deposits. These deposits can rob your engine of power by reducing fuel efficiency. They also increase emissions. The TerraClean Engine Decarbonizing Service uses a unique patented process to remove carbon deposits from the injector all the way through to the tailpipe. A TerraClean service will clean fuel injectors, engine valves, oxygen sensors, and catalytic converters. If your vehicle is experiencing rough idle, slow acceleration, reduced fuel economy, or your vehicle simply does not feel to be performing to your expectations, a TerraClean Decarbonizing service will help. By adding the TerraClean Decarbonizing service to your regular maintenance schedule every 24,000 miles or 40,000 kilometers, you can expect to restore the original power, performance, and fuel mileage of your vehicle. Ask if it's time for a TerraClean fuel system decarbonizing service. Your customers see the benefit and cost savings of our Decarb service. Offering this service is good for your bottom line as well. And with the addition of either Optima or concentrated fuel treatment, the motorist is eligible for the Fuel System Protection Plan. See the Lifetime Protection Plan for details. Start recommending the TerraClean Fuel System Decarbonizing service right away.